What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Shanna.
And this is her mom.
Oh my god, that was so cute. We did it at the same time. I am turning my mother into me. But she kind of looks like her own person now. Like, she wanted her hair curled, not straight. And, like, she was so bossy through the whole thing. Like, I could not get her to look like me. So this is the closest
and I don't like middle part.
And she doesn't like middle parts. And I don't feel like doing the side part. So, this is as close as we're going to get, you guys. So, basically, today I did her makeup. I did her hair. And what do you think? Do we look alike? Do we look alike? Let me know what you guys are thinking in the comments. Before we get into the video, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new. Become part of the gang, become part of the family, and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you guys follow me on all my social networks. I'm going to have my Instagram, my Twitter, my Snapchat, all that good stuff on the screen, as well as in the description box down below. So make sure you guys follow me on those. I do tweet back, I DM people back, so follow me on Instagram, you guys. On 3 we're gonna say let's get into the video, okay?
Let's get into it.
He was ready. Okay, whatever. Let's get into the video, right? But oh wait, I almost forgot about primer. We're gonna prime your face up. I washed my hands. You're good. I've never done your makeup before. Okay, you're doing a lot to your face.
I don't like people touching my face.
I'm just gonna do the most important parts because you pick.
That's gross. We can't use something else.
Are you gonna do your own face? You can do it to your own face. Ready? What's wrong with you? Can you trust me? God.
Could you not use that thing there and use something else?
You got lipstick on your face.
You gonna rub it in with your hand? How are you gonna rub it in with your hands? No, you're not.
It's the clean one that you washed out that I didn't use yet.
Oh.
God.
God save me, help me.
Yo.
My face is not used to them germs.
Yo, you're so rude. I washed my beauty blender. You stop. You're so dramatic.
It feels just nasty.
You actually need more foundation on this side.
Don't waste out your foundation on my face.
Just add some.
Okay, that's enough, man.
See, you keep moving.
I don't like people touching my face.
Now I got it on your eyelids. I have it in your eye now.
Whatever, just keep going.
Come back over here. You guys hear that? That's my dog drinking water.
Yeah, proud.
You know, right? I can't see. You gotta turn
this
more
is
this way.
Really
Relaxing, right?
getting me on my nerve.
You need to just relax and just enjoy.
Oh, this one finished already. Go to the other side.
I am going down. God. Listen, I'm the makeup artist here.
Give me some ear.
It's gonna be cute.
Oh, God. You don't know that shit. Hurry now. It's like a wet, dirty sponge that's happened on my face.
Clean. You washed it out the other day and I never used it. Jesus. I can't do it.
Oh, God.
So when you go and get your makeup done, this is how you act?
I never get no makeup done.
Clearly.
You put it on my lip. Wait.
Stop playing.
Because you take it forever.
Because I'm trying to get your whole face and you keep moving in different directions. How am I supposed to make this look good?
No, please. No neck. No neck.
But it gotta match, man.
Oh, God.
See, you made me put too much. People don't think I don't know how to do makeup.
Alright, that's enough.
Can you just not?
My face looks nice. I like it.
Oh, maybe if you let me finish, it'll look better. Okay, ready?
Because I could never get my makeup right.
So, what we're going to do next, I want to really go into eyebrows before.
You're messing up my hair, man. You're making a mess. Cause I'm holding up and you messing up my hair. Because I had it flat and nice and you messing it up.
But how am I supposed to see that side of your head if you don't face my way? Thank you. Gosh.
Oh, wait. I'm getting a headache.
Okay. So in case you guys are like, what the hell are you doing in her face? This is what exactly happens when I do my brows too. They look insane. So I'm gonna fix it. Now we're gonna take some concealer. Okay, I'm gonna need you to go like this. Okay, good. You can close your eyes. Eyebrows up one more time. Eyebrows up.
I don't know his eyebrows up. Can you do it a little faster? God, it's taking forever.
Eyebrows up one more time.
Just so long just for eyebrow?
Can you just relax?
Oh, Lord.
If anything else fails, at least I need to do the eyebrows right. So okay. Now moving on from eyebrows. You can just tell she does not want to be here right now.
Your fingers touching my lip.
That was okay. I'm sorry. Like you just.
I just don't like people hand touch my face.
Why you got one eye open like that? Close your eyes.
I want to sleep. Stop touching my face. I don't like people touch my face.
Y'all hear this? Faster and better. The more you could,
you poking my eye.
Listen,
my eyeball.
The more you cooperate, the
like,
faster
seriously.
we get this done. The more you cooperate, the faster we get this done. Keep moving your face and stuff like that. We're gonna be here all day.
They don't need no more. That's enough.
Okay.
Let me see. Could you not put on a big lash on me? Big lash don't look good on me.
Hold on,
I need a really small lash. I don't want my lash big like you.
Can you just... I'm turning you into me. It's not doing what you want you to look like.
But I'm telling you, I don't look good with big lashes. Don't look good on me.
Wrong.
I can't open my eyes no more. Stick down.
Well, right now they need to be closed, so it's okay.
I feel like it's stick down because I'm tired.
Finally.
Oh, Lord. We done.
Well, yo.
I don't like people do my hair. I don't like people to put on makeup on me. No, really. I don't like people do my hair and makeup and stuff like that. I don't like it.
Okay.
I like people touch me, period.
I'm going to go in with some concealer. Close eyes. Well, you don't have to close your eyes, but... Like, I hate how you're so far away from me. Yeah. I mean, they want to see you too, but...
That... You not put nothing on my face.
Come on!
Oh, Lord.
Can you not make any sudden moves?
I just feel like a dirty wet sponge.
But it's not.
It is.
It's clean wet sponge.
You touching my lip. You touching my lip. Like, you have to tell me to do that.
You're just... When you're quiet, I just want to keep you quiet, honestly. Because you're losing your mind. Excuse you.
Just brush my lip.
I'm sorry.
Then you put another lipstick on my face. What's wrong with you, man?
Now we're going to move on to highlighter real quick. And then I'm going to put on the lashes.
What do you mean highlighter? You didn't put highlighter already?
No. Close eyes. Highlight show poppin'. Oh, cool. Wow, I look nuts. I need to comb my hair.
We don't look the same. You got a middle part, I got a side part.
Can I give you a middle part?
No.
Okay, well, there's that. Now for lashes.
That's a lot.
It's not a lot. You're just... you don't know about lashes. That's it.
Is that a clean lash? A new one?
Can you stop?
No, I want a new one. I don't want no old nasty lash on my eye.
This one looks really cute.
Whatever, man.
So now, we're going to get ready to do her lashes, you guys. Say hi. What you got to say so far, Mom?
I could already open my eyes. I'm tired. Hi.
What do you have to say so far? What you think?
So far about what?
Us being twins.
You don't have to talk. I'm tired.
See how unfriendly she is, you guys? Yeah. Close. Okay, fold your lips in then. Miss Big Lips.
Don't put your hand all over my face. I don't like it.
Don't make any sudden moves, please. Don't.
Do you put in that big, heavy lashes on my eyes? I told you I'm tired. Why would you want to put that?
Can you just stop? Like, you just argue
just put like a thin one. Like, I don't want that heavy one.
Okay.
That's how you want me to look, because I ain't seeing nothing. Just hope you know, I'm not seeing nothing. All I see is a black thing over my eyes.
Open your eyes. Let me see. Look in the mirror.
I'm not seeing nothing.
Look in the mirror. Let me get the other side on.
I'm tired and you put this heavy everything on my eyes. That's what I don't like you do. Nothing on my face. You always touching my face. You just gotta use a little finger.
Your breath is kind of hot.
Yours too.
Wait, I'm not done.
I can't see nothing. I ain't never seen nobody do the eyelash and stick it to the bottom part. I've never
Because you
seen
keep
that.
complaining.
It's too big for my eyes. I can't open my eyes anymore. It looks scary. I think you have the camera 2 eyes. I mean, the looking up is not going to get along right now. You should curl yours.
Nah, man. It's hard for me to get my hair nice and straight like this. My days of curling. I'm like quick curling your stuff. Like, this is the quickest I've ever curled hair. And it's not even done properly. She's tired, guys.
I'm tired now. I could have been going outside looking all flawless like this. Now I have to take everything off and go to bed. That's not fair.
First of all, we were supposed to do this yesterday. Alright, can you bring both your hair in front?
I can't look up too much. I'm gonna look crazy because my eyes is tired.
Okay, I'm gonna just...
Can you bring the camera like up to here? So I don't have to look up.
You don't have to look up. Okay, guys, so this is how it came out. I went through hell trying to do her makeup in here. She put me through verbal hell. But it's okay. She doesn't really like this type of stuff all the time. But,
and I'm tired.
And she's tired. But what do you guys think? If my hair was curled, which I don't want to curl my hair.
You have to get you have to curl your hair and get a side part. Then it'll look even.
Yeah, I'm not doing all that. But I put on the red lipstick for you guys, and we're both wearing burgundy. I think this is as close as it's gonna get for now. So she looks so cute. Y'all comment down below what you guys are thinking. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more videos with her. What do you have to say?
We have the same nails.
Yeah, we have the same nails. What do you have to say to the camera?
I'm tired. I just want to go to bed, but I look pretty. I wish it was in the daytime so I can go outside.
But you be busy. I'd be like, Mom, let's film. Be like, oh my God.
Looking cute like this.
Yeah, your hair looks really red. Like, mine looks like fake red comparing to yours. But anyways, I love you watched to the end, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't give us a big thumbs up.